First is the Assamese audience. So they get to watch and appreciate local produced creative, all these creative contents, fiction, non-fiction, everything. So we want to produce lots of web series, lots of shows which are both fiction and non-fiction. And we have a master class which is educational content also on our app. So we started with visualizing to take this state to an international platform through all these things where the diaspora can also remain in touch with the culture and heritage of Assam. So next is producers. The producers are also stakeholders because here they get another platform to distribute their contents throughout the world, not only in Assam, outside Assam and throughout the world, through our platform. Then the budding artists, budding talents, they also get, the platform to showcase their talents because we find there are immense talents in Assam, not only from IFFI, Goa, but we found not only from by watching their contents, but also we have met several others who are still yet to come to the surface. So people are writing to us through our website, contact@realdrama.com. since the last 2-3 months, and we are getting lots of contents, lots of ideas what people can, we can both collaborate and produce through our platform. So, and the last is Real Drama. How does Real Drama is a stakeholder? Yes, we are into this business, but we are not only a business group with only seeking for profit seeking. So whatever we generate, revenue generation is going to happen in Assam.
You go to our website, you will see that we have many different kinds of things which represents the art of Assam, culture of Assam, then your music of Assam.